Okay guys, let's purchase a domain from Hostinger. Once you sign into an account, I've just used Google to sign in, then from the left hand side you will see the domains section. Once you click on domains, it is going to expand and show you domain portfolio, get a new domain and transfers. We want to click on get a new domain, and right here you will enter your desired domain name. You have the option of .com, .net, .io. I'm just going to search for this one, and it's going to show you how much it costs. So here you just want to click on add to cart, and it should look like this, and you can set the amount which you want to purchase it for, the amount of time you want to purchase it for. Next you will click on continue to checkout, and right here it is going to show you the total amount which is going to be taken from your account. Now you want to click on choose payment method. Once you click on choose payment method, then it should take you to this page where you can use your card, PayPal, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. I'm just going to use a card, and I'm going to type out my information and submit it. So give me a second. Okay, so once you have purchased the domain, it should look like this, and you can register your domain. It's kind of going to be company or organization or personal, and also your country. Next, you will click on next, and here you will just type out your information, and I'm going to do that and click on finish registration, and it's going to show you that your domain will be registered using these details. Your email and phone number may be used to verify ownership. Providing incorrect details may lead to domain suspension. So we're just going to fill out our information. Once you verify your information, you can just keep it here, and now you have a domain purchased. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.